Welcome back to our channel, where we compare the latest tech products to help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we'll be comparing two powerful mesh systems from TP-Link, the Deco WiFi 6 mesh system and the Deco AXE5400 mesh system. Before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is priced at $249, while the TP-Link Deco AXE5400 mesh system is priced slightly higher at $299. Both systems have their unique features, so keep watching to see which one might be the best fit for you. In terms of whole home coverage, both mesh systems provide excellent performance. The Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system can cover up to 5,800 square feet, eliminating dead zones and buffering. Similarly, the Deco AXE5400 mesh system can cover up to 5,500 square feet, ensuring seamless Wi-Fi throughout your entire home. When it comes to connecting multiple devices, both mesh systems excel. The Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system can handle up to 150 devices, providing strong and reliable Wi-Fi for your smartphones, tablets, and more. Similarly, the Deco AXE5400 mesh system offers support for 200 devices, ensuring a seamless experience for your smart home devices and online activities. Setting up your mesh system shouldn't be a hassle, and both TP-Link models make it a breeze. The Deco app guides you through the setup process, allowing you to have your network up and running within minutes. Additionally, both systems are compatible with voice commands through Alexa, enabling you to control guest Wi-Fi access effortlessly. When it comes to security, both mesh systems offer robust features. The Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system comes with a free lifetime subscription to TP-Link Home Care, providing antivirus protection, parental controls, and advanced codes. Similarly, the Deco AXE5400 mesh system offers Wi-Fi encryption with options like WPA Personal, WPA2 Personal, and WPA3 Personal, ensuring a safer online experience. And there you have it. We've compared the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 mesh system and the Deco AXE5400 mesh system, highlighting their unique features and capabilities. Remember, both products have their strengths, so it's important to consider your specific needs before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.